The judge's finding focused on two primary points. The first had to do with the mootness of the challenge. The challenge, by the time it came up for hearing, was already moot. So the decision was handed down by the Elections and Boundaries Department on the 25th of February. Mr. Barrow and Mr. August filed a claim for judicial review early March, 3rd of March. They filed the claim, but did not prosecute it, did not push it. Of course, elections were held on the 12th of March. The results were that the People's United Party came out victorious, winning 26 of the 31 seats. Despite filing the claim on the 3rd of March, they did not serve it on the Elections and Boundaries Commission and the Attorney General's Ministry until early April. So more than a month had elapsed since the filing of the claim, and of course a significant amount of time had already passed since the general elections were held. Of course, Parliament had already reconvened, but it didn't end there. They then, after being prompted by the judge whether they would continue to pursue the claim in light of the fact that elections were already held, decided that they would then amend the claim in July. So the judge held that in view of those circumstances and the fact that what was being challenged was the use of a color in an election which had already been held, in an election for which results had already been declared, it meant that the claim was entirely moot. That's point number one. And point number two was that the court held that in the circumstances which I just outlined, the claimants were entirely delayed in prosecuting their claim.